mist-wrapped hills of Ramboda, where the sunrise meets the dew. A story of passion began to brew, born of earth, love, and truth. In 1841, a dream took root, where forests turned to gold. Maurice worms sowed the seeds of time, and history quietly unfolds. When our blue field tea, the taste of legacy, crafted with care, shared with harmony. Every leaf tells a timeless tale of Ceylon's heart, where dreams prevail. From gentle hands to every cup, a journey pure and free, of passion, skill, and heritage that lives in blue field tea. Across the world our story flows, in every sip the spirit grows. Tradition, art, and mastery, a taste that